energy. I'm always excited. So yeah,
I like that.
Gumnandi.
Let's talk about, especially le voice note esiqale ngayo. Let's talk about umuntu athi ngisho kuthiwa ngivuka kanjani ngiyezusula ama like right, but manje ngavula ama video akho ngiyahleka. And this is not the first comment ngiyabona ama comments wakho mangabu lapha ku Facebook. So how do you react umuntu mayisho njalo noma kuthiwa ngisuku lami libheda kangakanani but bangeke ngalalela ama video akho, you light up my day.
Yo, that is the best feeling ever, because now we're also going to content not knowing ukuthi umuntu uzomthinta kanjani. And also ivideo nevideo ifanani, so always noma abantu zoba attacker, they will feel attacked or they will respond well to it. So when you find people uthola ukuthi umuntu usesibhedlela azakushuthela ngisho isithombe athi Peter, thank you so much for lighting up my mood, I was feeling down but uyangivuselela bra. It is the best feeling ever and it keeps you going. Yabo ngathi ngalokho pusha wenza more content and more content. Uvela usukume manje uthi akuthini uthi ngiyoshoot fast. Yayibona yonke.
15:54 is our time right now. It means we have like 6 minutes to the hour of 4 o'clock. Khona lemsazwe on Kiva 94.7 FM. Sihlele ngithe uPeter udume kakhulu when it comes to TikTok now ngama social media platforms. Mangwe now TikTok, go Instagram, so even like Facebook, I'm so WhatsApp more the number. Okay, yeah. So that's what I'm gonna say. Now njengoba usushilo ukuthi kwevele ukuthi hamba ushutha manje. Now let's talk about the business side.